Hi guys, I'm David with MediaUnlock.net.
And I'm Bill, his sidekick. We're back at 3O Studios in Lexington, Kentucky. And David, we got some toys.
We do.
We have new toys.
ProGrey USA, one of our favorite companies that we work with.
You know, I've used filters my entire photographic career. I was taught to use filters. I was taught to understand what they did. I'm primarily a black and white shooter, and we use a lot of filters in black and white. Yeah. Now, these are designed for color. In fact, these are the best in the world designed for color, which is really kind of cool. They're neutral density filters and polarizers, which of course, if you're going to go outside and shoot during the day, you got to have these things. That's all there is.
Especially if you're going to have any type of reflection, water, sky, you're really going to need a polarizer.
Yeah, last year I went down to Carolina and my long lens was in a case with all of my filters. And I get down there and it's like, I realized I left it at home. So I didn't have any filters. So I only got one shot. And you know, you go down for a week-long shoot, and you get one shot, you get kind of disappointed. This year I plan to do a little better because I'm taking these. You don't get them.
Well, so we got some filters from ProGrey last year, and then they said,
wait,
hey...
Wait. What did you do with the kit?
Oh, yes, the original filters. So
good.
This whole kit they sent us last year, and we tested it out, and we love it. And then they decided, hey, we can make our filters better. And Bill's going to tell you some of the new features on some of these new filters they put out.
Yeah, these are the Titan series. Now, the Titan series is literally unbreakable. I mean, I'm sure I could shred it in my Cuisinart if I tried. But you're not going to be able to break these just dropping them out in the field under your normal use. They're coated with 10 coatings, nano coatings, designed to be more scratch resistant, anti-static, more smudge resistant.
Which is huge if you're got big thumbs like me and Bill.
Yeah, I mean, I got fat fingers and I get fingerprints on my filters all the time, even though I'm trying to touch them by the sides. I mean, that just doesn't work well for me because, well, fat fingers. Sorry about that. And you know, so they're difficult to use. They've got to be cleaned, and these things are easier to use than the other kinds. Now, the filters that we've got out there, or that we've got here, are they're designed to be used with 99.7% clarity. So they don't add color to
You're not going to get a color cast, which is what you see in the cheaper, even to the mid-range, to the high range. That's why we love ProGrey. Because
there's no color issues.
Yes, there is no color cast, which isn't going to ruin our landscape, waterfall, sky, any type of shot we're going to use it in.
And you know, sometimes you can correct for that in post, but why bother? If you can get it right in the camera, get as much right in the camera as you can.
100%.
So my job this morning, these came in the mail yesterday. I've been unboxing them and looking at them and taking a look to make sure that they were all good and putting them in with our old kit because, well, you know, Grace threw it in because I think she thought she could keep it now that we had new stuff.
The interns think they can just take stuff when we get new stuff.
Silly
interns.
Yeah, okay. Well, in any case, we're putting things together, and I'm going to take these to Carolina with me next week for my annual, or next month for my annual trip. Yeah, I want it to be next week. I really do. But I'm also going to use it, David, this weekend because I really want to give these a try and get used to them. And I've been wanting to do a series called Summer in the City this year, since we're having a very unexpected heat wave this year. Everybody is.
Every year it gets hotter, I swear.
Yeah, there's nothing.
It's going to become expected soon enough.
Yeah, sooner or later. In any case, I'm going to be working on that this weekend. So I'm really looking forward to using these filters. I mean, I just can't wait to go out and play. We've got a circular polarizer with the world's neatest case. It just screws onto both ends.
It takes a little bit longer to get off, but I think it does a better job of protecting the actual
And the uber cool filter case is just worth it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just worth it. This is like Batman. It's just an uber cool case right there. So we've got a circular polarizer. We've got 4 graduated filters that stop 1 and 2 stops of light in both hard and soft
Right, and I think they've got some other stuff they're coming out with that hopefully they're going to send us to test out on the trip next month.
And yeah, that would be a good thing. I mean, I'd love to have another full kit to give it a try and to put through its paces and see if it can survive playing Frisbee with it in the parking lot on top of Water Rock Knob.
Yeah, I mean, filters aren't just good for taking pictures.
You got to do something while you're waiting for the sunset.
Exactly.
So in any case, we'll be back with more ProGrey stuff in a little over a month because that's when we'll have time to test it out. And we'll let you know what we think of them.
Yeah.
So.
And if you guys have made it this far, of course, check out our newest video right here. Subscribe down here, and down below in the link over here, you'll be able to actually go purchase one of these filters or check them out. It does help us keep making these videos, even though it's not a lot of commission. Every little bit helps.
And it buys us a soda so that we don't sound bad on camera.
Exactly.
And thanks again to ProGrey for trusting us to evaluate their products fairly.
As always, guys, we'll catch you next time.
See ya.